subscribe to Technofit channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any upcoming videos.
Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to another video performance of Asus Strikes GL after 4 months. The first thing I wanna complain about this is thermal throttling. PUBG Mobile is okay, but when you are playing huge games like GTA 5, Far Cry and Apex Legends etc., the temperature will reach above 95 degrees Celsius, which really decreases the performance of the game, where you will find frame drops, game lags and many other things. And the next thing I really got annoyed with this is you can't use OBS for streaming while playing games, because your game's frame rate will decrease around 30 or below 30 FPS. I have expected at some point of time around 5 to 10 FPS also, and I just wanted to use OBS for PUBG Mobile for streaming, and literally the performance is worse than I expected. The game lags a lot with decreased frame rates when enemies are approaching, and finally the emulator crashes. So I have found an alternative for that, that is Nvidia GeForce Experience is offering free broadcasting software called as Shadowplay, which takes all the rendering load particularly on GPU. And when I start using Shadowplay on PUBG Mobile, it's better than OBS, where you get constant 60 FPS while broadcasting, and also at sometimes it also lags. And also the main problem when you use the Shadowplay is when you start the broadcasting you can't see it on live dashboard because it appears on events, where you cannot upload particular thumbnail which you wanted. And also you can edit titles, descriptions and game tags only after you go live, and this is really annoying. And also sometimes GeForce 2 crashes, which will show an error message, and also a small disturbance in the broadband connection will take down your entire live broadcasting and you want to start it again if you wanted. And another interesting problem is ROG Gaming Center crashes. In the first couple of months it worked right, but after that it just crashes. I tried to fix it by uninstalling and reinstalling, by upgrading and many other things, but none of them worked. And another one is you just cannot use an external monitor for broadcasting, which will reduce below 50 to 60% of the performance of the laptop. And the external monitor with OBS broadcasting is a dream in this laptop, but if you choose it just to play for yourself without any recording or broadcasting the gameplay, just to play for yourself, it's the best. You will get 70 to 80 FPS with high-end games like Apex Legends, GTA 5, PUBG, Uncharted, Thieves and Fortnite etc., where performance will not decrease at all. And the lesser graphic games like CSGO etc. will get you around 100 to 120 FPS without fail. And that's it guys. Finally the conclusion is that if you wanna do some college works and also you're a gamer that you wanna play, this laptop is the best. And if you choose this laptop for broadcasting for some platforms like YouTube and Twitch, this is the worst. And I hope you like this video. Like it if you liked it, subscribe if you loved it, and also guys check out my another gaming channel. I'll leave the link in the description. See you later. Peace.